Mama akwaba wafre me adwoa searching. Ebusiafo misra and no first time I would ehwe me misra no was subscribing. Me a notification bell no so for more news.
Yenkuo, debi o, yenkuo. Ye bema wa bre na wahu de tie, de awoma obi ye me betena ha na maso. Mahama ye kwasea, mahama odwan, mahama me, mahama peme, mahama sawu, na wo so wa twe se to sen, wo tinu wo wasum se ye ka we fa wo droba mahama wo to sen. That is how we felt when they did that to Dr. Baumia. That is how we felt. That pain is what we felt when they did that to an 81-year-old man who was trying his best for Ghana, the best president we have ever had. President Kufuor-Credu, baby, I said, baby, or yeah, Juma dear. But the way our government we the Ghana 2020 one ho baby wanka. I can get COVID here best say here. Na mama mu bi te say sabi improve bi. God hebunsuo bi. Ye ho asensim na Ralph no wan na ho. Ghana na nka say say there be Ghana na am say akwasiampafo na di hene. Enye not in the like in the
Basa nkrofo sa na ejeje omuso.
Aha, enye na nanom line na make there be but me part say enkwasiafo sa is who we aha, omojeje omuso. Because it doesn't make sense. Won na ho. Ne bawre ni na ewu. Waya buo kodu edenche Jimmy pa acid blade type of person. Ono ankasa papa no mokura nim se mfa so ani omoba no so nto mokura no obodwene say no ano no we have to give up on him, and they gave up on him. Into what the kubolo demonstration ba no ginem no sa technology say no so ya activist na kwasi ampafo di nichi bodamfo no ankafo ni ye change egugu ni nine say Ghana you serious ha
Na Raffle cry ni how ni sanya chese sebi denti na Raffle be kasa oru afenyo makin se Jimmy
Ghana boys na enom tramo na edi na chi ne bebre Jimmy omo ya kwasi ampafo ntia ye nom tramo wi ana ya dwene asai anka Raf you bi a yedi na chi oba affairs no say citizen Raf meboa or you neutral me patcho ensa no kan meboa or you neutral pa no de that youth no oh ye de o mine no ye pese koyie ekufu ado mo mine no koyie Raf knows me personally e be me discipline bi pa oni me ebre bi me ye me show that time na apiate ahye no our government try say obeye na ye ma me joy say no na eda sa project na no me ne political zone men kais Canada do there, but I think it was around $4,000 or $5,000 or something like that. I stand to be corrected. I mean, they call you on the whole project and I bet you apiate and apiate on the way 1 mile. Brand new city. Now, kwasia we ya be dina me page so ka kire me say ade a me mani tua say yesi apiate no apiate ahwe yenye hwe wo ho na me say hey boy, don't come on my platform and misinform people. People come here because they know I speak the truth. Oh, hey, the one I'm TC no so nte hon no hu say okay say boy we no MPP for nipa ba go my head omanyanie. Now I can send come phone no be me ha can me yi one Oliver be me wo edu baby na they wanted to tap my phone. I'm telling you, that's how bad me. Utmi frame ya homache 5 a.m., 3 a.m. video call. So se me boa ni kuro mu busu mu nkuno. Enya agro na me di na hawo. Raf on a bigger bemawo and an nam every day. Sa kwasia we are on bra ne ho. On per qualification papa bia ma ne ho. Aye ni tiri to say bi on preduas amon fa ncheme Ivory Coast comfort aye twabojade yagu no ho ne hunye nyan wa hihye se bi obese boto wo aboa we hu na say na waye moya kwasia na moya kasia e konkora wu ni bi o join we Ghana for healing no because Ghana ni youth on pay djuma wo de ne kwa adwuma mu a sabi nsuo petepete kakra se weda na de ne ho aba okope Ay3ka abeda ne kiosk no mu nti won kwa adwuma na adwuma na egu enye suban a omo de to unim adwuma anya nkofo abi omo no omo egu no nti omo nya nkofo bi to say Raf who will give them excuse why they are not successful. Oh maame ne wo papa de wo ba wi ase no wo moment mi ama wa bra bo ansi ye ba you think say president or tini ba bi e so no no mo bi e di ye na ma wo ndi ye nti wo time president no o nyansa your constitution no and na trust a president be will be the obi make antre me. Let's get to real call right now. Real call it's not MPP and this is the real call. It rather says the government will then create an enabling environment. That is what he's supposed to do. Would you be called school free education amba? Boys ni be anyai. Omanko, girls ni be so anko anameboa. E bi no koye and normal lawyers, normal doctors. Their free education opportunity by our one share so anko no. Or the one kobo raf say aban nye. Woman fees are no kodi na bra ba na sesa opo bi de ahye no nti ya aban san kwasiafo no ene di raf echi. And yes, raf will not be relevant in any sane society. He's not worth it. He's not up to it. He doesn't even understand the nonsense he spews. Okay? This guy used to banter with me. Time I know more fix the country, need freedom fighters near the end. Some when I'm a MPP need those times now. I say me like now I was able to counter hammer. And yes, and there were no other guys also there. But now I say I'm sad the end see me so like they fight me, but including Okate Jeffrey and all of that. They used to fight me. I'm telling you, bro. Real stuff na make a chono. So I know Raf. I feel my metro the NTMA Raf anye nipa bio me many so. Oh say every demonstration be a baby not the hunye nyan na ko ginem. Okay. Okwa won nwale. On fa bonu akakra nye ne moto amu na onyi no. No I said akoshe Rastafo where you said the Rastafo ni na ho bo me sra Rastafo ni na ho mbon. You say you don't have to be dread to be Rasta. It's a divine conception of the heart. To you, 1% no interest we are then we are saying and answer we are conscious. He's not conscious. He's an idiot. On feria DS untino. No, I say I cover increment t-shirt yashe. Just save the power and I'm a boy. Increment you ma good no. I buy ben a beton tongue increment more yeah. Kagu mic no. Oh, antenna Kegu Mike no by Mike.
All kind of diversity implementation committee, you know, NDC address.
Yeah, why? What on Kroma Juma Nanke Beman glory ni the Bia Dane Dane, the Bia Dane, sorry. When we are best and Kroma teachers, I want to fight for Kroma. Uniwate. Raf ni bo down for no when Hunyan senti, Wakofa bo down for Beman and I will bo down for the Atogana so. A boy women nipe we are collected to a we. Samokaya. Yes, bibi de galam say. Ekufu ado na eye. Inti ya manembrambe block it na sega. These people they will pay. Okay? Which country and a hospital will be to me akọ block in the field say or the demonstration? Is it done anywhere? It is a security installation. So nimsa. Hospitals are not supposed to be blocked. Oh yeah, demonstration are in hospitals because of these people empowering an idiot like a foolish boy like Raf. You see, Boteman, at the end of Raf, Kwasiano, any NDC for kind. And ya papa, meboa. Sigani say. You really a one banner koye cashew. Kasa gu maikinum.
Ibrahim Mama.
You know Ibrahim Mama because somebody say no they are in power. In Tombe Castle, a dear na yeah no say ya the tantino. A buabi to say rap to me could dinner and in it na and could dinner or an ancas be no account them because a honor say a demon from the pit of hell is what that boy is. Never tin any so. Who say Tamani young colano will be a made plan jai on your better quit. Odene sabefani moja saa time no bi hu na ni so bete no Raf no onko so mo bom pan ya no num cocaine no num wi ni mfrafra entwetwa nsangu so ya no hard guy budo kura we wuko budo no kura na budo no ye budo no kura na budo ko wo Raf ye hwan me se mo nkrofo mi ensa o nkrofo me nsa mo de ka ye be ko ansa na me kwasi apia me fra sa
na say wo ye obi kra wo ye citizen account said ye wo ye here say wo kra no e so wo join it one year demand for accountability no enti why do you turn around to be obi a wo mom na wo kokasa de ama aban no wo kasa ma aban no so wo mani so wo no mo na panimu ti say minority leader of Ghana's parliament na sabi o sini jimie
oparitie the enti obesi ni jimie ni because say when ya tramo for ne party akwasiampafo bi di nachi hwe wo say we ye accountable meboa wo say your to hole meboa for cathedral no nti no ofori atankowu ana meboa wo so aban foforo no eso akobboka say niama wo say ne de maye nkanti and obekwa kwedi di atem so how neutral are you once we were exposing no oba first na mebeka so we ndc no ndc na nema me ka say me nkyerɛ one of the nights in our frame it was around something now Satan me could do one of the western region towns during the campaign no me wo him and I'm catching some western region a year campaign or chana demonstration because I'm say bra into wo no every demonstration be obedi mu ana na me bisa wo say aban sesa na say obi ko demonstration na obeko bi ana oni ma say wo ka kire me or so no the only demonstration of a party a demonstration Ekutia MPP
sir
oh bisano Raffo Giant Felix Neka say what men can as someone making come and deny or catch me plain say the only demonstration or no Raff Nibekobino is if it is against MPP and Anado. That's what he said. Until your time he was not fighting for no Ghana youth to be bisane so by Ghana youth no Ibrahim Mahama man the cars man is kakra no Ghana youth ahe no wetumi aboade akọ lending kura ye ko US akọhwe ball so mucha take it man odwan ono ekonya broni ba ne da hotel mo di aboa we anka esa anka mo di ni shekage mu no ma se ne Ghana jersey ed na bebe aye 72% pesa be pe broni ba man say one ne nda hotel oba de agu nipa when NDC comes they fester foolish people and dumb youths who don't think of the future. That is what NDC does. NDC by population a Jimmy for complete. Because they are not inspired to do anything better for Ghana. If it is, Ralph will not be your poster boy. Or Mark Colin who was 37 who we or the song why. One fan so what meboa. You know one was a Jama said in circle chose a day now. Nurse ni bia nyama no na nurse ni na ma obi da ho no wu na de enti otutu ne na de wo a nurse for ne service o ma yaso hospital we afi say no so na omo bon sema no because
yeah or Rage Hospital
nti aden na o ma medidi afenya ma gina dem because otutu ne na wo nurses for na yase ni na awie ye no e de ne si ye
Minister ka so your investigation be friend no by
ye minister amfa na nko parliament anko man hog akoman hog e dey na see Ghana is a lawless country when NDC is in power. They don't work with the law, but they claim they wrote the law. And that is why idiots and foolish people like Raf, non-entities that do not matter like Raf, will have a say. But I assure him, Raf, send me the only me that. By the grace of God, I'm always covered. And I promise you guys, what you people did to NPP while we were in power, I, Felix Apia, it is my duty and my core duty to make sure you guys will pay in tenfolds, and I promise my God on that. Apparently, go for many on befemu, many on befemu too. Yenkuo, debut, yenkuo. Ye bema wa bre ne wahu de tie de awoma obi ye me betena ha na maso mahama ye kwasea mahama odwan mahama me mahama peme mahama asawu na wo so wa twese te sen wo tene wo asum say ye ka we fa wo doba mahama wo te sen. That is how we felt when they did that to Dr. Bawumia. That is how we felt. That pain is what we felt when they did that to an 81-year-old man who was trying his best for Ghana, the best president we have ever had. President Kufuor do baby or say there be or ye juma there. But the way our government we de Ghana komebwa 2020 one ho baby wanka. I can get COVID here be say ya. Na mama mu bi te say improve ka bi. God tabunsuo bi. Ye ho asensim na Ralph no wan na ho. Ghana na nkasa am say there be Ghana na am say akwasiampafo na di hene. and yet not in the like in the
Basa Microphone and Ejo Omoso.
Aha, and yet an anomaly line in American, they be by my partner say, and Quasia Force is who we let, aha, Omojo so because it doesn't make sense. One and now, ne bowren in ewu, ne bowren in ewu. Why are wo could do a denture, Jimmy Pan, acid blade type of person. What on one casa papa no credit himself as when you are Mobanis and Tomocrano said no, we have to give up on him, and they gave up on him. Into what the Kubolo demonstration by no Jim no such a cannot say no so no say activists. Na kwasi ampa fu di nichi. Ya de no ko US oba. Otoso bolo ba kokra de bele. Abele was ba kokra no wo youth na ona wo tena gota na